Tamada-kinko already banned on TV. Sticker remover. Boys in grade school loved it. Unko and Ko jokes non-stop chama words, too risky in this age, no TV station will ever show it. If this game got 0 review, rated 12 plus for sure, this video might get flagged by AI. Makes me nervous, so now Tamada-kinko time. I have seen this shape before. Two lined up together. By attaching here, save data becomes more stable. Feels like it is bulging. That is the sense. Parts that wear out. Electrolytic capacitors and battery, other parts, might outlast human life. It is peeling. Contact restorer, lift stirred. Nylon buff. Magic powder.
Oh, give more tea.
Isopropyl. Soldering iron. Through holes connecting both sides, dust and moisture collect, and cause rust. I have seen them break before. Better to fill them all. Solder sticks easier, flux. Desoldering pump. Still bulging. New battery. Old battery. Amazing. Panasonic made in 91. Zombie G-Spot and Tamada-kinko getting body fluids. Tears of Gen Z. Dilution. Strong UV light.
Catch coach.
Magic solution, rust prevention and lubrication.
Mercury.
1991. Silicon coating, hope it does not yellow. Go to the future.
Perfect body.